What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Coach Plugged In channel, and today is going to be a really quick video as I have the new iPad Air in-house, in studio. Can't wait to get this thing open. A lot of people have been asking a lot of questions about it. I know a lot of the bigger people have already gotten some of these iPads, but I'm really anxious about this iPad. As you all know, I have an 11-inch iPad Pro, so this will absolutely work out with the new Magic Keyboard, and I'm really excited about this one because I did get it in blue, which with that new editor keys keyboard cover, the blues actually kind of match, so I'm anxious to get this on that right there and doing a full review in the next coming days. But today is going to be a quick unboxing, so let's jump right into it and get plugged in. All right, so starting off, nice little pull tab. Apple always clutch with the pull tab. Oh, nice. Now, obviously, people are going to compare this right here to the iPad Pro, but I think this iPad is in a field of its own. Just like if you want something, that's going to be a little bit more compact. And this right here only comes in two storage sizes, a 64 gig and a 256 gig. And then obviously, you know, the iPad Pros start out at 128. So you're getting more, you know, with the iPad Pro, and also you get that ProMotion and stuff like that right there. But this right here does have that A14 Bionic chip. So iPad Air in the building. Oh man, that blue is so beautiful. So beautiful, that blue is. And can't believe it, but hey, we are here. Apple, they have the goods in the package. Obviously, you know what you get in the package. You get your manuals, you get your Apple stickers, you get the things in the package. Interestingly enough, wow. Interestingly enough, you do get the charging brick, and you do get the USB-C to USB-C cable in this. So they didn't do the same thing they did with the iPhone. I wonder if that is coming one day though, highly doubtful. But you do get the nice USB-C brick right here with the USB-C to USB-C cable. Won't quite open that right now. I already have a cable that's gonna charge this iPad up. But let's get right into the iPad. I am really excited about the iPad itself. So let's go ahead and do some opening. Man, that blue is really nice, if I must say. And in the hand, it does feel really light. It does, you know, feel kind of like the 2018 iPad Pro, which is actually the iPad Pro that I already have here. But, you know, I like the style of the body. I mean, I do like the style of the body when it comes to the color and stuff. So that right there is, you know, how you get it. But let's get this bad boy turned on. All right, we are in business. We are in Apple business right now. So like I said, I will be doing an in-depth review of this compared to an iPad Pro. Obviously, we all know that this right here is going to work with the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Smart Folio, and it also will work with the Logitech keyboard as well. But all right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. All right, so key point right here, this does do the new finger touch ID. So it is a bigger fingerprint reader, but what I can tell you is to make sure that you can get as much accuracy as possible. Also, make sure that you are putting multiple fingers on this. Something that I don't know if anybody's really talked about yet is the fact that when you do have this on the Apple Magic Keyboard, that the way you open it actually puts your fingers in position to go ahead and unlock the iPad itself. So I'm very anxious about the whole idea of when I put it on the Apple Magic Keyboard. If you're a person that, you know, really enjoys having Apple stuff, be sure to, you know, lock in on the Apple ecosystem as like, cause like it's so easy to set things up. All you gotta do is bring one device closer to the next one, especially if you're setting up new watches, new phones, new iPads, even new computers. It's super easy. I do like to set everything up, you know, brand new at times, but it's also really easy if you're just trying to like get something set up really quick. So this thing right here is getting set up right now. Like I said, I do really like the aesthetic of it. I'm gonna set up my Apple Pay later. I've got too many things connected to Apple Pay right now. The device is super nice. You know, it is a very good device. Now, one thing that I am going to do right now is that we all see the beautiful Magic keyboard here. Beautiful Magic keyboard here. Shout out to Editor Keys for the keyboard cover. Still have this keyboard cover on there. I do edit a lot of videos, but I still have the keyboard cover on there. Editor Keys did a fantastic job with this. It fits perfectly on this Magic keyboard. But iPad Air smart connectors goes right onto the Magic keyboard. And then this is what I was talking about when it comes to how to unlock your iPad Air. So Touch ID button, and actually it has like a little nice little tech, like it has like a nice little like look to it. It's very shiny. It looks really cool. I like the way this right here looks in this case. I like the blue edge design. It is really nice. But so this is what I was talking about the iPad Air with the new Touch ID. So the way you open up this keyboard, you usually have to do it with two hands anyway. So usually what I'll probably end up having to do is I would unlock it while I am, as you unlock it and you put it into place, you just unlock it like that. And then you go and you do all of the things that you do. So I'm gonna do a couple of different tests on how this is compared to the 2018 iPad Pro, because that's the one I currently use, and also how I do with my video editing. Is it any faster with this new chip? So all that right there will be coming soon. But today, iPad Air, blue, in the house, in the studio, keeping you plugged into your tech. Also, we'll be letting you guys know which iPad to buy. I checked Apple's website today for the refurbished side. I don't think you're getting your hands on the 2018 one right now. They don't have any refurbished ones in iPads right now. Only thing I think they have on the refurbished site right now is like an Apple Pencil. I don't really know. But iPad Air just came out. You also have the 8th gen iPad, iPad Air. iPad has a really good lineup. So I'm really anxious to see how people start to navigate through things with this new iPad Air, iPad Pro setup. But this right here was my unboxing. Glad to be here. Glad to be able to unbox this bad boy right here. It is a very good product. So very thankful. Apple did it again. iPad Air, cool design. I did not get an iPhone yet. I was thinking that I should just wait until the Pro Max comes out, but the more and more I look, I'm like, man, you know what? Do I just stay with my 11, or do I go ahead and get a Pro? You never know. You never know. So be on the lookout for that right there. I haven't ever posted a video really about phones, but I really do love my phone. My top-down shot right now is being used by my iPhone 11 and Filmic Pro. So I do use my phone and I use it for content creation. So be on the lookout for that right there. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.